Hello and welcome. My name is Katie Patterson and I'm Director of Enrollment Management at St. Thomas's Day School. Thank you for being here with us virtually for our open house. I wanted to just go through the admission process a little bit with you and invite you to explore St. Thomas's virtually. Obviously today you will hear from our kindergarten teacher, our specials teachers, and some upper school and lower school information as well. We also have some virtual coffees with our head of school coming up, and you can register on our website, as well as a virtual coffee with Alicia Thomas, our diversity, equity, and inclusion specialist, coming up in February. And then please continue to stay tuned and check your emails for more invitations and videos about our school. As a reminder, the applications are due February 1st. As well as recommendations from your child's school. As I put here, we will happily accept multiple recommendations to add to their file for this year. If you are applying for financial aid, that is due February 15th. You can find all of the information on our website, or I'll be happy to email you a step-by-step. Please reach out with any questions. How will we get to know your child this year virtually? This is of the utmost importance to us. We will require an online parent-guardian meeting with myself once we receive your application. We will do a virtual meeting for each child, and we will work with your family to make sure that your child feels comfortable. We're very flexible with meeting time, lengths, and participation levels. This year is all about flexibility for us. We know that getting to know our youngest friends virtually can be somewhat challenging, but so far we have been successful at meeting with them. So I really appreciate you taking the time to join us. If you do have to pop off, the recordings will be sent to you. And I am always here. Gina Panza, our head of school, and our teachers are always here to answer your questions and help guide you through this process. Thank you for exploring St. T's.